Lau foi, ela ia que misto Yesu o lo walo. Le fa vai ma no nga tonu le na o nga tu bola foi tau na. E te o na ma. Ya. Tu si ma di sa tu de se fa na. Ya e di se fa na o na mo. Ni ya ta tu ma sa. There was notice there's time for children's song, but we haven't had our Sunday school started yet. So I'm going to talk about a little story somebody shared with me this morning. Talaga when I said it would be my American law. When I find it, you said it doesn't see it. Yeah, from Talaga, Monday for Talaga. Fai lua, fai atu ua whatu noa, ia fai lua. Aua ni tu ua se te ni te ua. Wale se se, wale atu toa, ia mita. Ia sa tala me le sui au. Ia mani ua mo tatu whana, mo tatu tata matu. Ma ia si tamasa, kau sebena na ngānua, ma te lo mula na ngānua. Ia whana mo tatu. This story is about somebody who got a job as a policeman. So he got everything, his gear as a policeman, his hat, and he got some choices, police uniform. So he put them on, and he was a little bit too long, maybe like dirt pants, because he's very tall, so he probably got pants too long. So he wanted to have a sleep, and he wanted to wear them when he goes to work the next day. So he said to his son, please can you trim my pants? I'm going to go to sleep. Okay, Dad. But I will do it when I come back from work. So I said, oh, okay. And then he said to his daughter, oh, no, I told him, but he said, can you trim my pants? To the doctor. And the doctor said, okay, Dad, I will do it. I'll just go and got something to do. And then really worried. And said to my wife, well, I've asked them, but they not. So can you help? And she said, all right. I will do it when I come back because I'm going to the bingo, whatever she's done. Anyway, so he went to sleep. And when the boy comes back, he remembered what his dad said. So he started trimming, cut it for a few inches. And then the daughter arrived. And then she remembered what her dad said. So she also, cut it off. And when Mom returned from her night out, she was just going to go to sleep, and then she remembered what she promised. So she went also and cut off, trimmed the pants. What do you think happened to the pants?
Shorts.
Yeah, they ended up like swimming tops. So when he woke up, he was very sad because everybody tried to do what they were told, but they didn't do it at the time. Otherwise, if the son did it when he was told, then there would be no problems. You wouldn't have to ask the daughter or the mom. So the moral of the story is that we try to do things when we ask to help. We try to help straight away. We delay it, and we might end up not helping but making problems. So that's the story for us. Good to remember because we haven't got a song from the kids. But these are the two images or pictures from the two readings that were read to us. The first is about King David, who did something wrong. He wanted some other man's wife. And he's the king. He has so many wives and so many kings. end up murdering this husband and took the wife, which is a very bad thing in front of God. So God, as we heard, sent a prophet to tell them that God is so disappointed. And, because God has looked after him and blessed him and tell him so much. And then he kind of swayed away from God and forgot what God has done. And that's why he keeps wanting things that he thought he didn't have, but he actually had them. God has blessed him with so many things, even wives. But that's what happens when you don't stick on to God. You end up wanting things that you think you don't have, but you have heaps of them. Because God has blessed us. Second reading, same popular story about Jesus comparing himself to the bread of life. That's after he fed the crowd. And still the crowds were not satisfied. They were chasing him. And Jesus was trying to say to them, well, you have heaps of bread, fed you bread, but you still want to eat bread. You should want better bread, which is me being the life of Jesus. And the life of Jesus was always doing good things according to what God wants. And not only that, but also the life of Jesus is love, loving others and trying to help us. So that's what he was trying to tell people. And also what I will be trying to share with big children or the big people. So hopefully your parents can help you understand some of what I'm going to say. And God bless you and continue to be with you. Before I do my seminar, I'm glad I see some Mona, who's one of our red players. He plays for Gary Raiders. He's doing very well. I watched you last time. I didn't watch you last time. I think he did well. And also some of our boys here are doing well with their rugby and really good. Keep it up. And God bless you. And a lot of our kids in school and also at work. So God continues to be with you and bless you. O le lau, I le suafa magu le tua te mā, le alo ma le ngā pakia a nere. O au nere le aweto o le ola, o le sau i a jau e le si aina mahira. O le whako o fo i a jau, e le toi whia ingu lawa ia. I am the bread of life. Whoever comes to me will never be hungry. And whoever believes in me will never be thirsty. It's never easy to tell a hungry or thirsty person to receive Jesus, to accept Jesus. Pea le take mai le tamore fai Israel. Il tau fiofi e isi tamata o mea aipa o ne yo o isi tamata. Te lo isi tamata e sa li tomo i le tua. Ala o fai na tau na moho le pele no tuana unau ma manau ia i tamata. Eu fui i tatu mai Terra Leone e Afrika o isi atuno. It's so hard to try and preach Christ to people who are hungry and thirsty, as we see in Gaza, we see in Africa. So what is Jesus trying to say to them and to us? Peano vatu tomiti. O le tala le Yesu, o le tala whai le mai, ele na whawhanga mo mo Yesu. Na uma ona o tu e whanu longo whanu Yesu a chun mea ai ma a whamea o to e mose la u te nari Really, Mafaufau, whangai tangata. Ia, a whamiri te matitira ia nei lua mana are tuarima. Mai? Whanga leo o māpona. Totoe se furua aki. Nāmu leo Yesu. Areta tu i luka kuala nāmu Yesu luka o masarasara Yesu la o maika vanga e pu e Yesu e whemutu. He fed them, they were full, and Jesus thought that they were going to capture him to make him king just for feeding them. And now, you know, the Sipito Atoa to the law and came and hoped to chase him down. And Fatula Yesu, Tokele Oma Yesu, or Fia Falongo, or Dofia, you're not here to listen to what I have to say. You're here because I fed you. And so comes the Karamanga and the conversation about which leads to our text. La fai longa ke mo tutto o e mile. O mo se nem tau fai longa o fanga o tau matu matu o le mo. Tatu ia Yesu lea. E o mo se na fanga to matu. O le tua na uia mana i le rangi o le tua whana na uia le tamatare tala noa tu ia uto. Nā le whana mai mo. Ia mai na. Tu Yesu o le arbeto e nā tu Yesu e. O lumi o le tala lea Yesu o le tala I whai tamata o le maa ona. This text, these words are to those people who are well fed, not thirsty. Piano fatto, e lei fa il mofio, ne fa il tanto fia, il fia il mio tadia Gesù. Ah, tamata io, tamata con ma uno fama Gesù. Ma lo fa male è andato, tamata sa, no. Tamata toma, tamata Pacific people. I don't think hunger is part of our problems. Thirsty is not part of our hardships. We are well fed. Even when we come here, I don't believe there are too many of us who are hungry. We are well fed in so many ways, but I'm talking about this because we have God's blessings to our people. So I think for me, God is speaking to our kind of people who are fed well. It is us well fed by God that Jesus is saying these words. Wow, nei le areto le o le sauia ta. E le to si ai. O le muli pu mai fatto tu e le ta le to si. It's really very easy for us. Well fed people, well blessed, well looked after by God. What is Jesus saying they need to do to us? We are the bread of life. He is the bread of life. Então foi isso. Então nada, então o evangelho just not to long for too much food, but then long for that food which is Christ. The more God blesses us, the more we want other things. No, there's nothing new about another person's wife. There's nothing new about other things that we crave for. God has blessed us with all that we can and want. So we are called to long for Jesus. That's what Jesus is trying to tell you and me and us. Wala whaia tātou nau no mana o nā. E le whapere ana o tātou ai mawhina. Wala wala tātou nau tele iai. Ai a mata ona tātou nau i le tua mana na alo. Tua mai mo tātou. Sa o tau whaitau le lisi piti mai tātou lano o le kolosa. O le festo, sorry. Ai tau tala Yesu i le o ia Paulo i le mene o le orola ngā te sitasi o tangata. Le ola mena mawhasua e mani sinuwha umitaia. Le ola ngā te sitasi o le living in unity with others involves humility, involves respect. O le wina a tilo le sitau. Am whai atu tama whai tio le tapik tama whai tio mai a. Nā e tilo ngā mata whai tio mai lo ua tau o bai. Same with me. If you ask me to comment on somebody negatively, I can just do it in an instant, from the head to toe. But when I ask you, ask me, look at somebody and what are the qualities of that person? O le mena na ioro o tese mo le mero te tuwai. O te tilo i tangata le te whaitio. So se tangata, every one of us has got the gift of the Spirit. Regardless of our warts and failures and whatever, we all have the gifts of the Spirit in us. Tēnā o te nia a te tira tu le tangata a te tira a hita. Whairanta o tala, o le manatu, o le hofu, o le lana kukula. Ai mana o le meo le ola whatasi le rofa mea leo le tu. Tau mi noi ese mo le mea nea te tu mai. Nanga le tasi ari mea, mi noi le titi wapea, o lo atu lau tafa. So i ai, wa manino lo wa ai fo na. Ma e amata ne tau loko, wa mea manu nei. Tau fo wa i le tua i le stata. O mea nea o e le te mitai, e mawhai o le i loa, i le sio uso, ma le sio uso. Ai a ora e mani, le tātou nā tiloa, whai tio, ita, to mumu, whatever. Same thing can do the other person to me. O le so tai e tala Yesu, o nei, o le areto, o le olo. E ole le olo ke viso. Te leto na, te leto e fia ai, te leto e fia ina. I mea na whapea o e leo ia te pai. Ana e tungu mai tātou. Mea o le ngā o le tua e whai ni māsi te mata. O le mea lofa awe ni te mata, le mea lofa hulga mai mai tātou. And we have to find that in each other. Me ia wane tātou fia whinu, tātou fia ai. Ai a tātou whawhetai le tua i mea o whawha mai i a tātou. Ia, le kalesia, o tātou uma, whe au mai whamana ki nā. That is the gospel for us today. O le teni tātou tōtiro tino mato e wā ifo, le rofa mai ana nei o le tua. Le oia whua is about looking at ourselves. Assessing, understanding God's blessings in all of us, and then appreciate all those in our other brothers and sisters. Ia whakamia mai le tua, ina ia wapenana mele i tātou hola hoina, i tātou hola e whietu i nātou moia, e ara o tātou talia ina, tātou watu i a Yesu e Kiristo, ia mawhātou tua i a te ia. O nele a reto o le ola, o le sau i a te au i le fia aila vai ia, o le whātou tō whai i a te au. E le to e fia i la vai ia, e le swafo i su. Amen.